A flexible LaTex Beamer template. This is the first video from a series of videos on the same topic. In this video, we prepare an extremely flexible and efficient LaTex Beamer template suitable for online classes in mathematics and related subjects. Most of the available templates are quite rigid and there are practically no margin of any manipulation. They consume lot of screen space in the name of decoration and beautification. This template has lot of flexibility, and for the benefit of students, one can accommodate bigger diagrams and lot more study materials in a single frame without reducing the size. Without delaying too much, let us now start writing the template as follows. First line is, as usual, document class line. Here in this line, this particular option DBIPS names is related to Xcolor package. By this we will have lot of color options, which I will discuss in detail in my next video. Aspect ratio is 169. This is quite common these days. Our mobile screen, laptop screen and even desktop screens are following this particular ratio. And 17 point is for better readability of the screen. Then you have to write this use package PST arrows X picture. This also I will discuss in detail in my next video. PST arrows correspond to a special type of arrows, which you shall see later in the second part of this video. These three lines correspond to fonts, so which we just write blindly. There is nothing much to understand. These two lines correspond to the width of the sidebar, left sidebar and right sidebar, which you can see they are very narrow, so that I can accommodate more and more materials inside. And margin is this much, left margin and right margin. The distance between this text and this bar, sidebar, this is the margin, left margin. So this is up to you. If you want to increase the width of the bar or increase the width of the margin, you can increase these numbers. So everything is flexible. Then this first 8 lines from here till here correspond to width of this headline and then this foot line. In this video I have made made sure that headline bar and this sidebar, they are of same width. Then title page template is to be set up. Title page, the title will be printed on a rectangular shape object, which will have rounded corners, and blocks will also be rounded, and there will be a shadow. In the title page I don't like shadow, so I did not put shadow here. If you want shadow, you can put a comma and write shadow equal to true. Set Beamer template items. So the item numbers will be given by a colored ball with number inside, and if there is enumerated items will have numbers, and itemized numbers will not have numbers, just a ball will be printed. Then font of the title, shape of the title, all these are options which you can write. Same thing for subtitle, author, frame title also. It is up to you to decide what type of shape you want. So everything is flexible here. Color of the title is foreground is blue, that means font color will be blue, and background will be 20% cyan and 80% white, so it is like this. Then subtitle color will be foreground will be green, subtitle background color is ignored, so it is not written here. Author foreground background 20% blue, rest is white. Then frame title also like this, block title color looks like this, sidebar color background color is red, here I have taken orange. Then background color is slightly pinkish color, so it is 5% red and 95% white. Then you have to write mode presentation, and this line corresponds to, if you want to uncover the items in a stepwise manner, then you have to write this line. You have to write slash date, this type of curly bracket, nothing is inside the curly bracket, so that no date is printed. Otherwise a small date will be printed on this foot line, which is virtually invisible because my this foot line bar is very narrow. Then from here you have to start writing. So title, you have to choose a title. Then author, you have to choose author's name. You can put your name if you like, or anything else also you can write, part 1 or something like that. Then begin document, and then the first frame corresponds to title page, so you have to write like this. And then the other frames will follow, and before that, if you want bigger size of the fonts, then you can write this large like this with a capital L. If you want, you can write small l also, or if you are using, you want to read this video in a laptop screen, then you can completely remove this. And if you remove this, then you have to remove this bracket also, because this particular curly bracket corresponds to this particular curly bracket here. So don't forget this. If you remove this, then you have to remove this, otherwise there will be error. So I have kept it because in mobile screen, if I write like this, it is readability is better. And then in the frame, whatever frame title you want to write, you can write here. Then block title you can write here. Then body of the block you write, and then keep on repeating this type of frames, as many frames as you want. And then you have to write end document. Again I repeat, this curly bracket correspond to this large here. In the second part of this video, we shall discuss some aspects of the X picture package and the X color package, and maybe something more which we shall see. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more of such videos. Thank you.